So accent marks in Spanish can be found over the 5 vocales of vowels. All right, chicos, so A, E, I, O, and U. Really pronounce those. It's all about emphasis here. And it's important to know this because pronunciation is so key in Spanish. And the accent marks always go from the bottom left to the top right. Never the other way around. Bottom left to the top right. And in Spanish, that accent mark is called una tilde. So the little mark from the bottom left to the top right is called una tilde. As you can see here, tilde, that's how you pronounce it. And tildes, I slipped into the English pronunciation there, tildes are used to indicate stress in a word. So when to emphasize part of a word. Teléfono, teléfono. Sábado, sábado. Ah. So always when you see the tilde, the little accent left to right, really accentuate it. Correct. And you'll also see that tildes change the meanings of some words. So que with the tilde here means what or how, and que normally means that which or who. So sometimes a tilde can change the meaning of a word. And a couple other accents in Spanish I want to show you, accent marks, is one here on la ñ, right over there. Now, some people refer to that as a tilde as well, but it's also referred to as una virgulilla. That's quite a mouthful, that one. Una virgulilla. And the second one is this little 2 dots on the U, which is called diéresis. Those 2 dots, diéresis. And diéresis basically means, it tells you when to pronounce the U. Okay, so pingüino, here we go, vergüenza. So the U is pronounced here because of the diéresis. Now, this is quite rare. You won't see this often in a lot of words, but as you can see, it does exist. So those are the accents in Spanish, accent marks. Again, we're just getting the fundamentals, the basics here, the building blocks, very important. And pronunciation is key here. And if you want to learn more about pronunciation, check out that video there. I've attached a free worksheet for this below, a free guide. Make sure you subscribe to the newsletter as well, where I share weekly content, and check out the verb lab as well that I made to help you practice conjugating verbs below. Un abrazo, chicos. Ciao.